Hi everyone, hope you are all well and keeping safe. Today I am going to be doing this soft glam Instagram inspired makeup tutorial. So if you would like to know how I created this look, then just keep watching. So the first thing we're going to do is my primer, and I'm using my favourite Too Faced Hangover X Primer, and just put this all over your face. So for this look I want really bold and defined eyebrows, so I'm going to use my favourite technique and just outline my eyebrows. And then just take my concealer brush and blend that around your eyebrows to make your eyebrows all nice and bold and defined. So for my eyebrows today I'm taking my favourite Makeup Revolution duo brow powder in the shade Ash Brown, and just taking the darker colour in this little duo and just filling the tail of my brow. Our eyebrows, I am going to make my eyebrows more bolder today for this look and more sharp. Try and get that arch as sharp as you can. And now we're just going to go in with the lighter shade, just bring it underneath and then push the remainder of the product up in your eyebrows. Then we're just going to go back in with that concealer brush we used just to sharpen up those edges again. I'm not taking no extra product, just using what's already on my brush. Then we're just going to go in with the Gimme Brow from Benefit just to hold all your hairs and eyebrows in place. So now I am going to start off with my eyeshadow today, because where we're going to do a nice sharp wing, we can go in and sharpen it afterwards if we need to. So I'm just putting some concealer on my eyelids as my base, blending it out with my Real Techniques blending sponge just to give us a nice even base for the eyeshadow. Now the wing is going to be the star of the show in this makeup look today, so we're not spending too much time with our eyeshadow. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked palette today. It looks like this. So just to set that concealer down so it doesn't crease, we're going to be using the Virgin colour from this palette and just go all across the eyelid. Now what I'm going to do is take the colour Naked from this palette, and I'm just going to run a light layer of that through my crease. I'm not going to go in the outer V today, I'm literally just running this colour through my crease. So we just have a wash of colour through the crease. Now we're just going to get a eyeshadow brush. Now we are just going to take an eyeshadow brush and take the colour Sin, and we're just going to wash this very lightly all over the lid. This is a very simple eyeshadow look today because, like I said, we're focusing most of the look on the eyeliner today. Then we're just going to take that crease brush that we used and just don't pick up any more product. Just run that back and forth in the crease. And then we're going to take the shade Virgin again and just run that through your brow bone. Now for your eyeliners today, a good tip that I like to do with the wing is just take a little eyeshadow brush like this. I think this is like an eye definer brush from Real Techniques. and just take a dark shade from the palette. So I'm going to use Creep. It's just a black shade. And what I like to do is just to add like a little template for me to just trace over. So I'm just going to put this from the edge of my eye up towards facing the tail end of my eyebrow. Just to give us something to trace over when we go in with the liquid liner. I find that putting the eyeshadow down before you go straight in with your liquid liner really helps to get both of the wings even, and it just gives you a little guide. So perfect for beginners. If you're a beginner with doing wing eyeliner, it's perfect for you. I still do it and I just find it really helps. So now we're just going to go in with the Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Black Liner. Just go across the lash line first. And then go up first to do your wing. So that is one side done. Now we're just going to go in and do the other eye. And there we have the wings done. So now we are going to concentrate on our base, and I'm taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I'm in the shade 1N Porcelain, and it's a new bottle. There we go. Now we want our base look really full coverage and flawless, because this is an Instagram look that we're going for today that's floating around Instagram at the moment. So we just need a nice flawless base. Just going to take another pump of this, well, half a pump. Now I'm just going to go in with my Real Technique sponge. And then go back in with my flat foundation brush. And just press that all into the skin. Make it seem all nice and seamless. Okay, so for concealing under our eyes, we're going to use the same concealer we use around our brows, and that's the Lasting Perfecting Concealer from Collection. And we're just going to take that right near that eyeliner as well, just so we can sharpen that up. And triangle down the eyes to really sharpen that wing up. On your chin, Cupid's bow, and then just take your blend brush and just blend them two bits out quickly. And then I'm going to take this lip brush just because it's more smaller and I have more control over it. And I'm just going to take that concealer where the liner is, just so we can get a nicer, sharper wing. Okay, now your wings look more crisp and put together, so we're just going to blend this concealer out. So what is everyone doing when they're self-isolating? Because we are self-isolating at the moment in the UK. I know a lot of you have kids and you're homeschooling now because all the schools are shut. I have my own children, so I'm currently homeschooling them, which isn't really good for me homeschooling them because I'm crap. But he's learning things. He's teaching me stuff too. But like, are you baking more? Are you reading? Let me know in the comments below what you've been doing while you're self-isolating. You found a new passion with anything? Any good series you're watching? Because me and my partner need a new series to watch. We are currently re-watching The Vampire Diaries, and yeah, we just need a really good series to watch. So put down below what your favourite Netflix series are at the moment, and I'll give them a go. Now to set that under eye concealer, we're just going to take my Too Faced contour palette. with the setting brush from Real Techniques, just taking the middle banana shade and just setting that under the eyes. Now we're just going to take my Rimmel Stay Matte not concealer, powder, and I'm in the shade Translucent, and I'm just going to buff this all into the skin. Now to finish off our eyes, we are going to take that Naked shade again and just take a really small eye definer brush, and we are just going to run this on our bottom lash line. Now to highlight our inner corner, we're going to take that shade that we used on the lid, which was Sin, and just highlight the inner corner, and I am going to drag it out a little bit underneath. I just feel like this opens up your eyes a lot more than just putting it in the inner tear duct. And then for our mascara today, we're going to take the Benefit Roller Lash. I'm going to sneeze. And I'm just going to put this on my lower lashes. You can coat your top lashes as well, or put some nice dramatic falsies on, like nice and fluttery and floaty false lashes on. I think that will look really nice with this look. Now for our contour today, we're going to take the Cocoa Contour palette again from Too Faced. Just taking the lighter contour shade. Now we want a very nice crisp contour today, so what I'm going to do is just pat this down in place. And then I'm going to take a little bit more and just buff that in. And I'm going to be baking today as well. Now for our bronzer today, we're just going to take the medium contour shade from this palette and just bronze up this skin. On your forehead. Around your jawline. I'm going to just take that light contour shade again and just run it on your lip, bottom lip. And then for our blush today, we're using the Zoella Cross Colour Pop in the shade Soulmates. I don't know if you can still get this blush at the moment. I don't think you can. But it's a lovely, just natural pinky blush. And then I'm going to take this highlighting palette in Solstice from Sleek Makeup. It looks like that. I wonder if I can show you. It looks like that. And I'm going to take this really white highlight. I haven't used this in a while. It's not as, oh yeah, I can see that. Cool. And take that on the lip, the nose, then the nose, and then just above the arch of your brow. I'm going ham today. Now to bake today, I'm using the Rimmel Match Perfection Translucent Powder. I'm going to take this brush, my Real Techniques brush, just pat that all on the brush, and then to make this nice and crisp, we're just going to go from the top of our ear down to the edge of our lip. Chin, into our forehead. I love this technique, but it's so messy. Like there's translucent powder flying everywhere. Now that's doing its thing and baking, I'm going to outline our lips. This is the Zoella Colourpop liner in Oh Snap, and line the lips. I'm going to do a soft pinky look today, so I'm using the shade Snob from MAC. I am going to take a bit of Myth and place this in the centre, just to mute it down a little bit. Now we're just going to take a big powder brush just to get all this powder off our face. And there we have it, a nice soft glam look inspired by Instagram, what I've seen on Instagram, with the nice sharp wing, subtle eyes and the soft pink lip. So this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like. Click that notification bell if you would like to know when I post new videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!